most of us agree, though, it's been a major challenge for Cincinnati thus far.
Yeah.
Ohio Department of Transportation, salt trucks cleaning up areas that they couldn't get to yesterday.
Their work seems never ending at times, with problem spots still lingering. And our WLWT News 5's Danielle Dindak took a ride with the crew today. And Danielle, I know you saw firsthand what they've been up against.
Yeah, you're exactly right, Sheree. And let me tell you, it's been a long few days for ODOT. They put a lot of work into getting on-ramps like you see behind me clear along with the interstate. But of course, there's still some tricky spots out there. So today I sat shotgun to find out what all goes into one of their shifts.
I think it was yesterday's shift. My days are running together.
Tuesday's commute, less than ideal, yet somehow better than Monday, which featured whiteout conditions, slick roads, and spinouts.
Been a little treacherous, a lot of traffic, done the best we could, and we're trying to keep everything as passable as we can.
The weather has been relentless. ODOT crews have been working around the clock. We're talking 16-hour shifts ever since Sunday morning at 7, and their work isn't even done, especially with the ice that's coming tonight. So let's jump in and see what they're facing.
Today is a cleanup day.
Behind the wheel of an ODOT salt truck, Joe Estes.
All right, 10-4, I'm on my way that way.
From up here, you see how quickly things can take a turn and why his job at times seems like a never-ending journey.
During the storm, our focus is the main line, the stretch of highway from point A to point B. Our priority is to keep that open. I mean, we still hit our ramps, but we're pushing our snow to the ramps. And they get blocked.
Those tricky on and off ramps, a top priority today ahead of tonight's freeze.
It takes more manpower to open up the ramps completely.
Worried about the temperatures for tonight and make sure that we don't have too much on the refreeze.
I've been here since 11 last night.
And in his rearview mirror, you get a look at all the hard work and dedication to keep drivers safe.
Perfect example right here. We're pushing all this back so traffic can safely merge, get up to speed.
And as you heard, the next big focus is on tonight's weather, but plans are actually already in place for the next chance of snow on Friday. Reporting live tonight, Danielle Dindak, WLWT News 5.
All right, so much more weather coverage.